everybody? Buddy Boom here, and it is May 6, 2019, and today I am making a video why join myEcon with me today. Alright, so what is myEcon? myEcon is short for My Economy. This is a personal financial success company. It's been around for about 14 years. This is going to show you how to correct your W-4 form, and you're going to learn the benefits that you're going to have with having a home business. You're going to be able to learn debt elimination. You're going to be able to do it yourself and increase your credit score, by at least 100 points within 90 days. You're going to learn how to do the income shifting with this income shifting membership. This is going to show you how to get a raise without asking your boss at work. You're going to have this great compensation plan. You got this cashback mall that's in myEcon, and you're going to be able to join me and my team with myEcon for under 20 bucks today. And so in a nutshell, that's what myEcon is. Really wanted to show you guys the training that you guys are going to get. You're not going to get this training with anybody else unless you join me or anybody else on the 2020 Vision team. You get this Rank Up Now app that you're going to be able to get for free. You're not going to be able to get this app for anywhere else for free. You're going to get all this training in the background. And the cool thing about this training with the Rank Up Now is when you start off with this team training, this is going to be the second module is going to be locked until you finish all these videos within. Okay, you have all these videos that you're going to go through. It's myEcon overview, correcting W4, debt elimination, smart credit system, cash flow manager, cashback mall. And once you finish all these videos, it's going to unlock the next module, which is mindset. So it's I'm not going to go through all of this because you're going to have to join for 20 bucks to check it out. This teaches you about traffic, the difference between free traffic and paid traffic, how to follow up, the 4 basics, and the May Blitz that we're doing, and YouTube Creator Bootcamp. This is going to show you how to get your YouTube video up on the top of the search engine within a day. And this is teaching you how to do that. And there's cool things this has. It has these pages. These are your marketing pages. You're going to be able to share. This is all done for you, and this is the real done for you marketing system, because you don't pay anything for this marketing system, and it's got a value of at least a couple $100 to join this Rank Up Now. You're going to be getting this for free when you join myEcon with me or anybody that's in the 2020 Vision team. It's got the quick replies, how to talk with your leads. This is really cool. I mean, if you're a newbie, you're not being left out, in the wind trying to figure out what to do. You're going to learn exactly what to say to these leads. You're going to watch all these videos. It's going to walk you through everything that you need to do to launch off your business and be successful. And this is how you're going to be successful with myEcon. There's other marketing systems that are out there that are, that are great. I'm not bashing any marketing systems. I actually use the Conversion Pros, and they offer a lot of value. But this system, the 2020 Vision team, this marketing system is strictly for myEcon. So you have these other marketing systems, and you have to collaborate them for your business, and that just takes a lot more time, to where you have a marketing system that's solely for that particular opportunity. So that's one of the great things about this 2020 Vision team. You're going to get this free marketing system. You're going to get all this value. Even if you're a newbie, you can work from home. You're going to know what to do and how to start your business and how to start having success immediately with myEcon business. And they're doing the promotion. You can start myEcon for under 20 bucks with us today, and that's going to be for a limited time only. I don't know when they're going to change that, but you're going to want to get on this. Get this free marketing system, the 2020 Vision team. You're going to be invited to a Facebook group. You're going to be invited to a couple chat groups, and you're not going to be left hanging. That's one thing. One of the reasons why a lot of people quit their online business, because they don't know what to do step by step, and you get lost, you get overwhelmed, you get stuck, and then you just end up not paying that following month auto ship because you don't know what to do. Right here, that's not the case. So guys, you're going to want to check this out. You're going to want to get in on this on the May Blitz. While the myEcon is less than 20 bucks to join with this free marketing system. I don't know how long this marketing system is going to stay free, because honestly, I've never seen so much value within starting a business and getting everything started up with under 500 bucks. That's the dead honest truth. I've usually joined opportunities, and then you'd have to buy the marketing system for an extra couple $100 or whatever, and then you have to get the autoresponder. You got to get all the business building tools. You don't have to do that with this. This is all in one. You don't even have to sign up for a free membership for Aweber or a GetResponse. Everything is included within this marketing system. So what you're going to want to do next is take action. Look in the description. Click that link down below. My name and my number is going to be down there. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My Facebook link is going to be at the bottom. And last but not least, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, so every time I make a video, you guys will be up to date on what's going on. So at that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to take action. Click that link down below. Alright, peace out.